Everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change PayPal.me link. So first, you have to go to your PayPal account, and then in order to see your PayPal.me link, you just have to go to your settings, tap this one, and then below your name, you can see there your PayPal.me link. Now, as you can see, if you're going to tap this one and look for options like edit or change, you have to tap this manage. But once you're here, unfortunately, you cannot see an option here that says change or edit. Okay, so that means you cannot edit or change your PayPal me that link. So what I'm going to show you now is the best method on how to change your PayPal.me link. So all you have to do is to go to this site, message me, but in case you don't know how, I'm going to show you. Okay, just tap help, and then on the search bar here, you have to type message or message center. Okay, and then click this, how do I contact customer service? And then here you have options. So you just have to click this message center. And to start, you have to click this Ask a PayPal Assistant. Okay, tap this one. And then here, you can now send a message to their customer service or customer agent. Okay, so you have to type, I want to change my PayPal.me link. And then tap enter. And they will message you and they will ask you or let you select an option. For example, when you tap this one, you can see here options like this, but unfortunately, you can't see the answer. So you just have to tap this no, I need more help. Okay, so once you tap this one, they will send a message again. Okay, so you can read this to know or to get more information. And you can see here, would you like to send this conversation to a customer support agent? Click yes. Now you have to tap your or type your concern again. So I would like to change, I want to change my PayPal that me link. So you can type it again or you can just copy paste. So I want to change my PayPal that me link. You can also add to that. For example, you can also say that I cannot see the option edit or change on PayPal. So can you please help me to change it? Actually, you can copy my message and you can also do your way. So as you can see here, please help me change it because I can't see the change or edit option on my PayPal. Thank you so much. And you can also read here that an agent will write back to you in the PayPal message center during business hours. So all you have to do is to wait for the customer service agent or that agent to tell you what to do and give you some instructions. And all you have to do is to follow it. You can change your PayPal that me link. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.